membasuh juzu daripada kepala
dan leher.
dan leher, dan barang di bawahnya dagu,
Dan barang di bawah dagu.
dan barang di bawah dagu.
Kurang.
So, begini, I want to explain to you about something. Families, the teacher Musannif has explained about something that is the first intern. About intern. That is the obligation of wudu. Obligation of wudu, that is the first intern. Intern, that is the first of obligation of wudu. That is the second obligation, that is wash of all flesh. Of all flesh, there is a teacher Musannif, there say bird of bear, there say bird of bear, that is a thing. You know thing, that is a tebal. Bird of boy, that is a tebal thing. You can say that thing. So that when that is thing, you can no problem to wash. No problem to wash that or not. You can wash that like this and everything. Everything you can wash or not. No problem. That is a bird of boy. That is the second. Bird of boy. That is a thing. Tipis. That is the thing. Tipis. That is you got to wash in the birds. You got to wash in the bird. That is very important. Not sunnah. That is the first. That is a sunnah. Okay, right? And gur and kunsa. Gur and kunsa, that is no problem to wash in the birds. That is the birds and the wash. That is no problem to wash in the birds. If there's there birds, there are not birds and everything, right?
Right.
Dan bermula yang ketiga itu membasuh dua tangan kepada dua siku. Maka jika tidak